Now, take it to my priest in Parnassus. He's gonna shoot it into the night sky for me.
I'll put it up here for you right now, most beautiful goddesses. Tie your gem on my arrow so my shaft can bring you satisfaction.
I do not believe your sweaty, smelly selfishness is flirting with the goddess of love. You don't have the right thrust. Besides, my guy in Parnassus has the better equipment. He knows the right time to shoot. And it's got something to do with some astrological stuff that gives me a headache. Now go to Parnassus and be there before nightfall.
Yes, my goddess. There's just one small problem.
Yeah. XENA and her pesky posse right behind you. Don't sweat it. I got you covered. I call it obsession. It's right here. It's around my neck. I call it obsession. One whiff, and whatever you're thinking about at that moment turns into an overwhelming obsession. Ooh, cool, huh? Now go. Go out the back door. Now I've got to become invisible.
So how did Aphrodite steal the North Star?
She stole the mystic diamond from the Temple of the Heavens. Unless we get its powers back before nightfall, the North Star will go out. And the world will be in for some serious trouble.
You mean things that go bump in the night really will go bump in the night?
All travelers on land and sea. Look to the North Star as a guide. The mystic diamond's powers will keep it shining.
XENA, I see no sign of messy anus.
Let's look around and see if they've stashed it someplace. Check over here.
Okay.
Oh, hey, what's this?
Oh my God! That's the story of Alice, the Ape Man, and Princess Gaia. Oh, it's such a beautiful love story.
Ape Man.
You know, oh my God. Beaver Town.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that. Oh, whoa!
That is not humanly
Sure it is.
Well, I mean, they say the paintings of women in Aphrodite's temple represent her many phases, right? Well, based on this, I'd have to say she's pretty goddamn full of herself.
I agree.
Oh, really?
Pretty.
They've probably headed for Parnassus. The priest there is an expert astrologer. Who knows what stupid thing Aphrodite would want him to do with it?
Oh, nice. Double dose for you, warrior babe.
Oh, walleye! Yes! I got it. I know what to do. The North Star is on the verge of extinction, so the fate of the world lies in our hands. We've got no choice. Let's go!